Dennis Eugene Steinour Sr., Petty Officer, 2nd Class, ABH. I've seen Soviet bears fly. I've seen Soviet submarines. All you see is the periscope sticking up. But we knew they were there. Sometimes we'd even announce them over what we called the 1MC. And people would come up on deck and look, take pictures. All you see is a little thing sticking out of the water, but they wanted a picture of it. The bears, on the other hand, I've seen them twice. One buzzed us one time, and they're just looking at us, and we're looking at them. That there's probably my only interaction with the Soviets. And yeah, it was still Cold War time, but they knew where we were, we knew where they were.